good.
Silly ham. A concept Turkish cooking vessel used for baking flatbread. A concept Turkish cooking vessel used for baking flatbread. Why are you laughing? I am not kidding. It is a concept Turkish cooking vessel used for baking flatbread. Why do you think we have flatbread sandwiches at Wawa? Do you know what Wawa means? It means peace in Indian. It means kiss. Goose.
Or bush?
Goose. You must make fun of my language.
Bitch.
Celia Ham. The seal on a door in a ham factory.
Keep going.
What's up?
She's videoing.
Oh. We're voting now?
Silly ham. A tool used to aid in the cooking of ceramic tiles.
In the caulking?
Yeah.
Cooking.
Well, this is voting round.
In the
This
cooking.
is the voting round.
Oh.
Oh, it's voting now?
This is voting
Oh,
round.
okay.
Oh, we're voting?
Silly ham. A tool used to aid in the cooking of ceramic tiles. Silly ham. The tying skull in cricket.
You have to write
Wait.
their names down.
Yeah. But you have to do it in a funny accent.
Okay.
So who is that?
Josh and John.
Who? I don't have my Speak up.
J and J.
J and J.
J and J.
J and J. Sealyham. A short-legged, strong-jawed terrier bred as a hunting dog. Sealyham. An unfortunate-looking walrus. In other words, busted.
If I could vote again, that would have my vote.
Sealyham. A concept I can't believe it. A concept Turkish cooking vessel used for baking flatbread.
Kelly and me.
Two. One and two. Carry on. Kelly. Okay.
Celia Ham. The seal on a door in a ham factory.
I forgot to vote.
Pick one.
Fuck you, Dad. Do I have to read these again? Is this for the dramatic effect? Because I don't appreciate
No,
it.
do the codes, Jimmy.
You want the concept?
No, I want to.
You want me to read again?
The dog.
It is a concept. Turkish. I'm sorry.
The dog one.
The dog, okay. Dog. She wants a dog. Your daughter came over and kicked my dog. Now my dog need operation.
Who's saying?
I love that shit. What was the real
Okay.
one?
The real one?
Oh.
A short-legged, strong-jawed terrier bred as a hunting dog.
Damn.